and it's a good Sunday morning, and I'm gonna be taking out the SV650. But the thing is, I really don't have a destination to ride to. The only reason that I want to go out is because I want to test out this new GoPro Hero 10 that I just got myself. I haven't really got the chance. I've already gotten for about a couple of days now, but I never really gotten a chance to go out and record during daytime because I've been busy with my work, and the only time that I got time to record is at night, which most of us know that GoPro sucks when it comes to night recording. There's just too many noise that comes in the footage of the videos. So now the sun is out, and I want to take this chance to really record stuff on board. But the thing is, it's just going to be around KL because this bike has about a couple of hundreds kilometers left before I need to get the oil changed, get it serviced, probably change the spark plugs. In this specific video, I'm not going to go through all the specs about the GoPro Hero 10 because there are just countless of videos out there. You can just type GoPro Hero 10 reviews and just too many of them. Well, if you're wondering how the Hypersmooth 4.0 is going to look like on a bike, this is it. I'm going to be recording in 4K 60, and I'm going to be putting the Hypersmooth setting on boost. Personally, I like it. I don't know about you guys, so just watch this video.